cleaning is actually relaxing. The art of cleaning, or just
the act of cleaning is actually, so it's like a Zen meditation kind of thing to clean your house.
I need to clean more. I need to, step it up a little bit. Maybe I might lose a little bit of belly fat.
Oh, so it's like the cleaning weight loss program.
Hey, there's so many fads out there. Why not?
Coming soon, the OdoShow diet program. No, okay, I'm just kidding. We're not doing that. But moving around cleaning does burn calories.
It does.
Right, like 200 calories an hour, I think they said. And of course, that's higher if you're actually dancing while you're cleaning, which is a really bad way for me to lead in talking about.
Because Val's going to be dancing.
To talk about cleaning music. We actually, part of this survey said that over 50% of the people that responded to the survey said they had a specific song that they cleaned to or a cleaning playlist. Now, we put a survey up on our Odo Bandits page asking what genre of music they preferred cleaning to, and rock and roll and country were tied for the top spot.
Yep.
So do you have particular music you put on for cleaning?
I have a playlist, and I would say that the majority of what's on there is Southern rock, which is there any other rock?
Not in Georgia, there's not, right?
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
So Leonard Skinner, Allman Brothers,
okay.
the list goes on. But
the good stuff.
Yeah.
So, but you don't have an actual playlist, like this is the cleaning house playlist.
No.
Okay.
But it's the one that I always seem to go to.
I got you. See, I don't really have a playlist or a song. I have a station. So it's shout out to Sirius XM 301 Road Trip Radio. So they do like upbeat music that's all the genres, all the years. You get stuff from all over. It's always upbeat. And so I like such a wide variety of music, country and rock and everything else. That tends to satisfy me. I get that on and I can get stuff done.
Well, Haley Alexa says that it's soundtracks for her.
Soundtracks, like movie soundtracks. That's interesting. You feel like you're conquering something. Superhero cleaning the house.
Rocky, that's a classic. Okay, I'm dating myself now.
I was thinking Iron Man and stuff. You're doing Rocky. That's fabulous. Okay. Thanks for watching this episode of The OdoShow on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time. So until next time, make life fresh.